In this video, I'll be showing you how to share location on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.
But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to do. All you want to do is go to the Find My application, press Not Now, and then you want to go to the People tab on the left. Once you're here, what you want to do is press the plus icon on the right, and it's going to say Share My Location. So go ahead and click on that, and then you can basically add a contact and whoever you want to share it to. So for example, I could click on one, and then it's going to say I can share my location for 1 hour until the end of the day or indefinitely. So for this example, I'll be doing 1 hour. Now it says this person can share my location. And yeah, that's it. You'll be good to go after that. Now, it's as simple as that. You can, literally share it with as many people as you want, regardless of wherever they're from. And then, yeah, you'll be good to go. You can turn it off whenever you want as well by doing the exact same thing. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe and check out other videos that we've been posting on the channel as well.